everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change currency on HyperPay. To change currency on your HyperPay application, open the HyperPay app on your mobile device and sign in. Once you're logged into HyperPay, click on the human icon at the top left corner from the main homepage. Now, click on Pricing Currency and select the currency that you want to change to. Once you choose the currency, the selected currency will be added as your default currency in the main homepage, as you can see it on the screen at the top. You can always get back to the same location and change your pricing currency to your preference. So that's how easy it is when it comes to changing currency on your HyperPay app. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.